Okay, so now we're going to create a plough point. How do we do that? We start by attaching one of the corners to the top of the tree there. This is a 3x3 tarp, so pick any corner, it's all the same. Then what you do is you peg out 3 far side corners, or use a stake if you wish, to build the plough point shape. Here we go. So here we have the plough point. It is fully functioning, and what you can do is you can actually take this central point up. So if you look here, just down there, you could take that up, use a line, bring that to the tree there, tie that off. Gives you a little bit more headspace inside, a bit more headroom rather. So as you can see, really simple. Put your ground sheet down if you need to here, build your fires, but everything else you need to just outside, and it's a wonderful, simple, quick to put together shelter, requiring, like I said, a simple standard knot, whatever you want to put up there, 3 tent pegs or stakes if you want to build it from the natural environment around you. Job done, nice and easy. So that's a plough point, a shelter that I use probably more than any other because it's really quick and simple to put up. One tip though, make sure when you are putting it together, you're taking into account the wind direction, because what you want is the wind, the direction it's coming to obviously go over the top of your tarp and not come into the tarp here and start blowing everything around. And as always with these shelter creations, you do need to make tweaks and adjustments as the day goes on. Don't be afraid of that. I'm not always perfect with putting these together. Sometimes I stand back and I think, okay, a little tighter there, a little adjustment there, and sure enough, it comes good in the end.